These are the top 5 best Applock apps for Android, and they are all rated 4.5 and above. Number 1 on the list is Applock by InShot. It is 4.8 rating with 10 million downloads. Number 2 is Applock by Sailing Lab. It is rated 4.7 with 100 million downloads. Number 3 on the list is Applock by SP Soft. This one is rated 4.5 and has 50 million downloads. Number 4 on the list is Applock Pro by Ivan Apps, and it is rated 4.6 with 50 million downloads. And the 5th one on the list is Applock by Trusted Tools, and this one is rated 4.8 with 1 million downloads. Now, all of these apps will work with their free versions, but in order to remove ads and activate premium features, you must buy the premium version of these apps. All of these apps have uninstall protection in one form or another to prevent them from being uninstalled. However, there are 4 apps that you must lock in your Android phone for complete protection. And those are: number 1, the Settings app; number 2, the Google Play Store app; and number 3, any and all file manager apps such as My Files, Files by Google, or My Files by Samsung. And then lastly, the Package Installer System app. And the only 2 apps that have the capability to lock the Package Installer app are number 3 and number 4, namely Applock by SP Soft and Applock Pro by Ivan Apps. My choice of the best Applock app for Android is number 3, based on its price of only $4.99 US one time for lifetime access. Now let me tell you what the other prices are on the list. So for the Applock app, it is $3.99 for one time, so that's lifetime access. The second one on the list is $59.99, and that one is for a 1-year subscription. The third one is $4.99. Like mentioned earlier, this is my favorite one and my choice. This is one time only, $4.99 US for lifetime access. The fourth one is $9.99, and that's US per month. And then the fifth one is actually free. So that's the only free version or the free app on this list. So once again, guys, my favorite one is number 3, and that's purely because of the 2 reasons. One, the price, and secondly, that it can actually work perfectly as an app lock, because it does have the option to lock the package installer app. Alright guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay tuned, and stay blessed. And now, the quote of the day by Nietzsche. Without music, life would be a mistake.